Yo, what up? My name is Arnold Muñez, and today we're going to discuss on how to make a custom thumbnail that you're going to use to upload your in uploading your video lessons in any platform. It could be YouTube or it could be Facebook. But here I'm going to discuss about making thumbnail dun sa sa YouTube platform. All right. So without further ado, let's do this. Here we go. So first, of course, you have to open the video that you want to make a thumbnail. Kasi dun mo kukunin yung picture dun sa video eh. Hindi ka pwedeng gumawa ng, pwede naman, but it's very, not standard kind of. Dapat kukunin mo yung picture, your thumbnail mo dun sa video na ginawa niya. So, I'm going to open my video na i-upload ko. Ganyan. Yo, what up? Then, pag na-open na, just continue playing it and be sure your cursor nandun sa ibang monitor or sa ibang screen para walang ganyan na parang may tawag dito, may play, pause, something like that. So, i-continue mo lang, tapos i-click mo yung print screen para ma-print yung picture, yung thumbnail. So, yun ang gagawin nyo. What up? Howdy! My name is Arnold Muñez and I am a MAPEH teacher. Proud. So, na-press na-click ko na po yung print screen. So all you have to do is to open your paint and then click paste. Hanapin mo yung picture, palitin mo ng konti para mas mahanap yung picture. Yan. Ito yung gamitin mo, wag ito. Okay? Wag yan. Kasi ito yung sa OBS eh. So ito yung gagamitin natin. Ito, ganyan. Yan. So, hindi ko kanina, no? So, ito na gamitin natin. Maganda lang pagkakuha ng picture. So, all you have to do is to click that selection. Tapos, i-select mo yung gagamitin mong thumbnail. Tapos, click uli yung crop. Boom! So, meron ka lang thumbnail. All you have to do is to save it. JPEG or PNG, it doesn't matter. But, I prefer JPEG. So, yun. Sa desktop ang pamadaling mahanap. Gawin mo lang. Lagyan mo lang ng how to. Let's save. Anyway, you're going to delete naman it later. So, yun. Meron ka ng thumbnail para sa yung sa video mo. But of course, it won't stop right there. I-open mo para naman medyo may edit mo ng konti. Try opening Adobe Photoshop para naman masipalit mo yung na-open mo na. Tapos you look for that image, try clicking open. And ang dami ko lang thumbnail dito. Hanapin mo lang sa yung desktop kasi doon lang nakalagay how to. Ganyan. Just open it. Yan ako. Yan. So, meron ka lang picture dito. All you have to do is to pop that yung picture mo, pop out. Para mag-pop out siya. Then, yung background is medyo hindi masyadong obvious na clean up lang or something. So, use this pen tool. All you have to do is to what we're trying to do is to have what do you call this one? A white outline dun sa picture mo. Back to our editing. Pag natapos nyo na ng pen tool, you have to do is to click that make selection. Click OK. And yun, may makikita nyo may running ants. Ants are running, makikita nyo. Alright. Then after that, all you have to do is to select first inverse. Ganyan. Tapos go for blur button. So blur Then, yeah, try to blur itong pinakamalapit na ano lang para mag-pop up ng konti. Dito. I-blur mo na to. O ano, isama yung tawag nito. Yung text. Kasi, sometimes, somehow, kailangan natin yan. So, ito lang. I-blur mo lang yung mga nasa paligid ng yung katawan. Something like that. And pag nag-blur na ng konti, nag-pop up ka na ng konti, no? So, balik ka ulit dun sa inverse. Tapos, edit. Then, stroke. So, you need ito, tawag nito. Makikita ito. White first. Then, try to have it inside or center. Kung ganun. So, you make it outside. Dun sa outside sa yung selection. Then, press OK. Ganyan. Makikita mo may mga may mga sa gitna. Hindi masyadong malinis. So, try mo ulit yung stroke. Palitin mo lang to. Gawin mong siguro 2. Then, lagay mo sa center. Then, click. Medyo konti lang, no? Sa, mo ulit. Stroke. Tapos, lagyan mo ng 5 or something. Center. Then, yan. Medyo malinis na. Alright. Then, you can try to adjust the image of this. Go for brightness. And, tawag ito. Sige. Lagyan mo ng contrast ng konti. Para medyo mag-detail siya. And okay. Click OK. Then go back to your image. Try adjusting your curves. Sa curves naman, all you have to do is to try to yung RGB niya. Go for red. Itaas mo ng konti. Ganyan. Konti lang. Medyo sumobra. Then green. Lagyan ng konti lang. Kunting green lang. Yan. Then, of course, your blue. Kunting blue lang. Para naman yung kulay niya. Balik ka sa red. Lagyan ng red konti. Yan. Click OK. Then, medyo malinis na. Alright? So, meron ka ng text dito. So, you don't have to make your own text. All you have to do is to click this one, save as. Ilagay mo rin sa ito. Save as save on your computer first. Then, ilagay mo sa naka-how to ka pa rin, di ba? So, lagay mo na ng 1. Then, click it. Save sa desktop para sa madali na lang. Alright. Of course, you have to click the maximum. Yun. So, pwede ka nang umalis dito. Pwede mo nang hindi save kasi meron ka ng thumbnail or whatever. Yun. Then, proceed ka dun sa dinownload mo kanina. Yan. Tawag nito. Saan na ba yan? Ito. So, yun. Dito yung thumbnail. Nag-upload ako kanina eh. Wala, hindi pa natapos yung upload. Draft pa lang. So, yung video dito. Ganun. So, press mo lang yung thumbnail. Hanapin mo yung how to one. Kasi ito yung so, makikita yung pagkakaiba ng kulay. Alright. So, try to click it open. Then you have your thumbnail. Then, of course, I've already told you about how to upload before. Ganyan. So, see, you have your thumbnail already. So, then, of course, you continue with the upload, the details of it. Naturuan ko na kayo sa last na, ito, how to upload video. Makikita nyo dito yung paano mag-upload ng video. But this time, I already told you about how to make your thumbnail. Anyways, that's all for now. And yeah, I will continue uploading this one. And there we go. Thank you, and see you again next tutorial for the MAPEH teachers. Mabuhay and keep safe. And don't forget to, of course, don't forget to subscribe. Click that notification bell, subscribe button, and click that notification bell for you to be updated with my other videos. Thank you, and stay safe, MAPEH teachers. Peace out.